What does your cleaning gear say about you? When you turn up to a cleaning job, one of the first things that your client is going to see is how you present yourself, but they're also going to see how you're presenting with your cleaning gear and equipment. Is it organized? Is it tidy? Do you have everything you need? Is your equipment clean? You know, unless your mops, etc. are clean, then you're not actually going to be able to clean with them. You'll just be wiping around dirt. No one wants that. You know, I see it all too often in places like coffee shops or places that sell, you know, restaurants, you know, whatnot, cafes, and they get out their cleaning signs and their buckets and their mops and they're absolutely filthy. And as a customer, I look at that and I just think, oh my God, what am I not seeing in that kitchen if this is the standards that they're actually, you know, going for? So with that in mind, it's really important to take the time, make sure that your buckets are clean on the inside and on the outside. Make sure that your mops are clean. You know, there's a reason why these mop heads screw off. It's so that you can actually wash them. You know, I know a lot of people just rinse that mop in a clean, fresh bucket, but often you need to actually unscrew them, take the head off, and pop it in the washing machine with the rest of your cleaning cloths and give it a really good wash and some time spent outside in the sun to give it a sun sterilize. So, you know, that's really important. The other thing you want to do is inspect your cleaning gear. Look at this pole. Can you see how rusty that is? This is quite an old pole. And you know what? I have had it on a job where I had a pole like this. You know when they're going to start going because they get this little bend in it there. I don't know whether you can quite see it, but one day I'll be using this and the whole thing will snap off. I've had it happen on a job. Now, I knew that that was going to happen and I made sure I had a backup mop stick with me, so I was okay. But do you check your cleaning equipment like your mop poles? Here's my new one here. And, you know, that's nice and clean and strong, and it's got a good life in it yet. But you've got to look out for these things. The other thing is when you are buying new mop poles, make sure that some of them are different lengths, like in particular the more industrial ones that you buy, they are made out of a stronger aluminium, I presume this is. It's made out of stronger stuff, the industrial ones, but you'll often find that they're longer. So when you're actually using it, it's a good idea to keep your hand on the end of that mop, because that way you know you're not going to hit it on anything. Particularly if the mop that you were using, the mop pole you were using was shorter and then you buy a new one. It takes a little while to get used to that. And just to be safe, always keep your hand on that back and you'll be right. So think about your cleaning gear, make sure you turn up organized and with everything you need to do a great job, and then it's going to be a lot easier for you and your clients will think you're fantastic. So thank you for watching.